Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now guys, we will have our unboxing from Shein. So, before we continue our vlog, let me first to introduce my channel and Margie Olvida, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button bell so that you can alerted every time that I have upload. So, anyway, uh, let us open. This is, we have three items here. This is all red. This is all red, guys. So this is also a lingerie underwear, G-string. And let us the let open let us open first this one. Wow, I love this color, red. Charan! So very nice, guys. Look, and yeah, lick it, and it's yours. So so crazy. Wow, and look at the back. See, very nice, guys. And the next is dark red. All this red. Charan! Look at uh the style is butterfly style, guys. Wow, it's so amazing. There's a what we call this, look at this. Look, the style is butterfly style, and also the back is, this is a T-back. So very nice. The size is medium size. So I love this. Don't miss it. Comment down below, guys, if you have any um, request. Okay. And the next is, this is wrong um, items, guys, because my orders is medium, but they give me XL. XL, guys, imagine, it's so big for me. Too much big. It's too big. Look, it's so crazy. This is American size anyway. American size 1XL. Imagine.